In this video, I'll show you how to create Stripe payment links and add them to any website. Perfect if you're running a small business, selling digital products, or just want to accept payments fast without building a full checkout page. Let's jump in. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, go to stripe.com and sign up. It's free. Once inside, click on the Payments section from the left-hand menu, then go to Payment Links. Click the Create New Link button. Now, choose whether you're creating a link for a one-time product or a recurring subscription. For this example, we'll use one-time. Next, select or create a product. You can use an existing one or fill in the details like name, price, currency, and description. You can even add images and set taxes if needed. Once your product is ready, click Continue to Customize. Here, you can set things like quantity, discounts, or pre-checkout fields like email or address collection. When everything looks good, click Done, and Stripe will generate your payment link. You can now copy that link and paste it into your website, social media, email, anywhere you want to accept payments. And that's it. Your customers can click the link and instantly pay using credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. Thanks for watching. If this helped you start accepting payments faster, hit that like button and subscribe for more Stripe tips and online business tools. See you next time.